How to get Peacock on Spectrum 2025 full guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So to install the Peacock on Spectrum on your smart TV and use it, you have to ensure you have the Spectrum Premium version, and after that you just have to simply log into your Spectrum on providing your account, and after that you have to link the Peacock to your Spectrum TV. So for that, ensure your Spectrum TV plans include Peacock Premium, Spectrum TV Select, and then eligible plans offer Peacock Premium at no additional cost. If you are unsure, visit the Spectrum website or the Spectrum TV app to verify. And after that, you have to activate Peacock Premium. Like, go to the Peacock activation page, and you just have to simply click on Peacock plan. And as you can see, $7.99 per month, $13.99 per month, and annual it is billed $79.99, $139.99. So you just have to purchase a premium package and follow the instructions to link your Spectrum account to Peacock. You may need to sign in to your Spectrum username and password. If you are existing Peacock subscriber, you may need to take additional steps, like according to just some users have reported that Peacock Premium is now included with certain Spectrum TV packages. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.